Okay, this is a clematis vine. I'm sorry, got distracted. This is a peony. It's a deciduous plant. That means after it finished flowering and die back, it goes to the ground and you can't see it. Normally I would come out and pull up the dried stems, but I hadn't been out here in a while.
Sure hadn't.
About a year or two, but then shut up. And then I can show you this plant is good for the north. It's a fall blooming white clematis vine. It smells real good, except for here in the south it's a weed because it's taken over. I guess if I controlled it, it would be okay, but it took over and practically killed my hedges on this side. So we'll see. We'll cut them back, and we're gonna weed them out and get that plant out and feed them, and maybe they'll come back and I won't have to buy but maybe one or two. See if I showed you earlier the difference. See, and so they've been out here probably for about 10 years, and they were looking good until I hadn't had a chance to come out and keep an eye on anything that I considered a weed. He's using this organic espoma holly tone. It's an evergreen and azalea food, and that's good for these. So hopefully the feeding and watering and pulling out the weeds, or not the weeds, the vine, will work. Okay, I'll keep you posted. Also, this rose, I think I told you, only got 2 good plants on this side. Roses are, they grow on sometimes old wood, but this one I was pulling out the old dead wood. You see, it just, if it's dead, it pulls out real easy. Roses like to have a lot of air circulation, and so I was getting ready to pull this one out, but you see it's got some green coming out, so I'm gonna leave that alone. And I think he tried to kill this rose, but it said no, he wasn't going anywhere yet. But see, here's that vine again down in here, so I'm gonna pull it out because he's trying to choke out everything. And there's some over in these hedges that we got to get before it takes over on those. Alright, I'll be back in a little bit.